What should you aim to learn? One thing is that you need to be familiar with the different stages of the trial process right till the end, from the initiation of proceedings, from the complaint that's filed. And in a lot of these, it's not a private complaint. The complaint is filed after sanction from the authority. By a statutory authority has to sanction it. Then it has to be filed by the authority itself to the magistrate. Then the trial begins. So you have to be fully familiar with it. Then there may be compounding and all of that also that may happen in the middle. Their compounding and CRPC compounding is different. Okay, in some cases there are parallel proceedings which are there before the regulator. Okay, sometimes regulators say, "Arey, who will do the criminal proceeding? Let's initiate penalty proceedings. Our adjudicating authority will, or adjudicating officer will levy the penalty." So it's not a fine, it's not jail, but we'll levy the penalty. But criminal lawyers will then have to do that. Knowledge of different branches. I always call this by way of branches because your trial is not complete and yet things can go till the Supreme Court or the High Court. That is important. You should know appeals, you should know quashing, you should know revision petitions. Okay, you should know SLPs, you should know second appeal, you should know appeal before High Court, you should know appeal against sentencing. All of this you must know till the end. You should know different sides of criminal practice. What is the prosecutor's angle? What is the standing counsel's angle? What is the defense angle? What is the corporate guy's angle? What is happening in the law firm? What's the work like? All of these you should know. What's the regular trial process? What's the appellate process? And what's the aim of the lawyer? What kind of service he has to provide? So this whole picture must be imprinted in your mind. That's the goal from the internships. Okay. Then you must know how to do the work, especially drafting. The word drafting is not written on the slides, especially this. How to do the work is really important. Which part of it, drafting, is very, very important. Patience is the key in the sense that you can't go berserk about I'm going to make justice happen in India, but you have to follow the process and you have to be dedicated at your work. Like, if you apply to 10 people, don't get the job, don't get the internship, stay put to it, see what's the gap. Okay, rather than quitting, see what's the gap. Keep building your network privately. Don't have to be in the court premises to do that. You can build your network by your own LinkedIn networking. Every person you intern with, the senior also, many juniors are there. Tomorrow, those juniors will go independent or they will work with another senior. So new opportunities will open up when that junior shifts. So keep doing that. Keep building one-on-one network with people on LinkedIn. Keep writing your own articles so that your profile is getting built up, and post on LinkedIn and Twitter. So keep working on your content. This is the number one thing, because people will write to you for guidance and inputs, and it'll give you a real opportunity to help others and to show that okay, you are actually learning and very serious about the law.